Hello everyone, today on Simply Mercy Bee, we're making low and slow cooked beef neck bones. We'll be seasoning up our pot with a few herbs and spices. We're going to slow cook them for about 3 hours, make a rich gravy, and finish them up in the oven. You do not want to miss this one. We're going to start by thoroughly washing our meat under running water to remove any unwanted fat or debris. Then we're going to place them into our slow cooker. Now at this point, you can be as creative as you like with your spices. However, I will leave the spices that I use in the description box down below. Once you have all your seasonings mixed together, you want to take your time and massage every neck bone with that wonderful seasoning. Guys, this recipe is a I have time today dish because it will be cooked low and slow, and it's all worth it. Now we are going to add our aromatics, and today it's just a simple sweet onion. You can go ahead and cut them into chunks and add them to the pot. Add about a cup of water to get a good steam going, and let this cook on high for 3 hours. It's been 3 hours. Y'all take a look at these neck bones. As you can see, they are already tender, and the flavor is delicious. So now we're going to make our gravy and add it to the pot. We add flour and brown gravy powder to a bowl, then add some water to make the gravy. Then we're going to season them up with a little Sazon, onion powder, garlic powder, and pink Himalayas salt. And remember, all of these measured ingredients will be in your description box down below. Once everything is mixed well and all the lumps has been removed from your gravy, go ahead and add it to the pot. And this is going to be one hearty pot of goodness. So at this point, go ahead and set your oven to 300 degrees because we're going to finish up our dish in the oven. So now I'm just checking out my liquids, and this is going to be cooking for 2 hours. So I'm going to add some additional water to my pot. That way my gravy won't get thick too fast, because I want this to cook low and slow for another 2 hours on 300 in the oven. Now we're going to add some aluminum foil to our pot. We're going to remove the insert from the slow cooker and place it directly into the oven and let it cook for 2 hours. And remember, we have our oven set at 300 degrees. And after 2 hours, these are our results. Succulent and fall off the bone meat that is packed with rich, meaty flavors. Take a look at that. Oh my goodness. Look how tender that meat is, and the gravy is perfect. Let's make us a plate. We're going to start with some fluffy rice. To see how I make my slow cooker's fluffy rice, click on the iCard here in your upper right hand corner, and it will take you to that link. Then we're going to add us a few neck bones, followed by some gravy. Now this is one hearty meal. Guys, please do yourself a favor and try this dish. And drop me a comment down below on your experience. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, you're always welcome to visit. Just don't forget to like and share. And I will see you on the next one. Later.